Hello y'all, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video we are just going to go ahead and jump right in. I am doing a really short set. I'm actually just doing my natural nails today, and I figured this look would be really good for like if you work at a place and they don't like your nails done, or they don't like all the flashy stuff or all the bling, you know, and you just want it simple, or just like a wedding or something like that. This is what I've come up with. I thought it was very simple but very pretty. All you got to do is pick out some stickers or decals that you want to apply to your nails, and then you're going to use you can use a base coat, or you can use the Maxi Magic Film Glue, this is just a foil glue. And I think the foil glue works better when you're applying stickers because it helps it adhere better. And then you're going to just grab a top coat. Now, you do want to make sure that the top coat you're using is a little thicker than normal because you are encapsulating the stickers. So you could even go with like the Thick Dom top coat from ENC Couture. This is really nice to use. I did not do that on myself because I don't plan on wearing them that long, but if you guys are wearing them for a while, I would go in with a thicker top coat, or you can even encapsulate it with clear acrylic, clear gel, whatever. First thing you're going to do, pick out your stickers. These are the ones that I chose. These are from ENC Couture. I do have a 10% off discount code if you guys are interested in that. It is in my description box. All right, I got some little tweezers here, also from everything that I'm using is pretty much from ENC Couture, except the top coat is by the Nail Reserve. Make sure your nails are prepped and ready. Make sure they're nice and clean, cut to your preference. Go ahead and put a thin coat of your foil glue on the nail. From cuticle to free edge. Make sure you don't get it on your skin. Also, while I'm applying this, I just want to say thank you guys for all the lovely comments. Have missed you guys. Now, I'm not permanently back, but I do plan on uploading at least once a week. Okay, so after you have applied your layer of foil glue, go ahead and give that a 30 to 60 second cure. Okie dokie, once that is completely cured, now you're going to go in with your stickers. Now you want to pick out stickers that are going to fit the nail, but not too big. You know what I mean? Like, just like I did on this side. You're going to take your tweezers, go ahead and grab your sticker. Grab the sticker and then place it. I'm going to go right here, I think. And then you're just going to start pressing out the air bubbles. Make sure it lays nice and flat because you're wanting to top coat that and encapsulate that. Now see how cute that is? Very simple but elegant. Now before you top coat, make sure all of the air bubbles are out, which I will go back when I'm finished and press them down again if I have to. I also have a very small little PR haul. I'll show you guys at the end. For the pinky. All right, look at that. Now, once you have all your stickers applied, you're going to go ahead, like I said, make sure they're all pressed down. You can even wear gloves if you don't want to touch the nail. Go ahead and take that top coat. You're going to go ahead. Sorry about the dog. Go ahead and top coat that. Let me do a flash cure on this real quick. That way it doesn't run into my cuticle. There is one. And you can go over it again if you need to. After you got the top coat applied, go ahead and give that a full 60-second cure. First coat of top coat is fully cured. I'm gonna go ahead and do one more coat of that. There you guys have it on natural nails. Just a cute little simple set, kind of like a clear floral set, if you will. All right, so let me go ahead and quickly show you this little haul that I got. Max sent me a few more items yesterday. Some of his new gems. These are, they come in different shapes. I think they're called Power Crystal gems or something like that. These are the squares, and they're clear. They're really pretty. They have that iridescent shimmer to them. These are the rectangles. They're very pretty. You get quite a few. I would say 10 in each little box here. These are the hearts. And these would actually look cute with this set. And these are the ovals. So you get a variety, really cute. And you guys, wait until you see what I got next. And I know some of you are gonna like this and some of you are not. All right, the next thing I'm gonna show you guys is the last thing, but some of you are gonna love it. Some of you are just gonna not like them at all. These are the brand new 1-2-3 Go full covered nails. They are the Flare Duck nails. Yeah, I know. Listen, I was like, what in the world? So, okay, here's number 5. Don't they look kind of funky? But look, you guys, I'm telling you. I bet these would look cute when you decorate them up and stuff. Let's just see. So, it is kind of weird by the cuticle. I mean, but it would work. Let's see. Okay, so I would probably use number 5 on my pointer. So let me just show you. It's not like a large flare. It's more on the smaller side. But what do you guys think? Would you like to see a video with me using these? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, there you go. It goes from, it looks like it goes from 1 to 11. No, sorry, 0 to 11. Oh, okay. Let me get out the 0 and show you guys what that looks like, because I know a lot of you have the larger thumbs. Wow, look at that, y'all. And they are pre-etched. Yeah, that's way too big for mine. Yeah, way too big. So there you have it. Let's do it on the centimeter side. So these are about 3. Let me show you where it goes. From that black line, just over 3 centimeters. And then the width of the thumb, or the width of the 0, is 1.5 centimeters. Okay. Just so you know, I'm sure you get 250 pieces like normal. Again, there is my little PR haul. Hope you guys have enjoyed this little tutorial. Let me know what you guys think down below. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know in the comments down below. Hope you all have a blessed day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.